Hello everyone. I hope you all are guessing what it is. It's a sandal, but the best part is it is made up of waste. So I'll show you how to make. Before that, I'll tell you what all things I have used. So this is the plastic cover flower, which I have already uploaded in YouTube. And these arc type of thing, and the base is made of cookie packet, and these crisscross this braided strips which you can see with white and black, that is plastic cover. So I'll just show you how to make it in short. So I don't have a biscuit packet, so I have taken this cardboard packet of cone. So first what I did, I have taken the measurement of my daughter's feet. This is right leg and this is left. So as you can see, I drew this one and I am giving a proper shape. So this will be the base. So we'll cut out 2 pieces each of right feet and left feet. So I'm just folding it like this. Now you can see 2 pieces of right feet. So we'll apply glue and stick them, both of them together, so that we'll get a stiff cardboard. The same we will do with left feet also. So here I cut for left feet and right feet. Just to make it colorful, what I'll do, I'll take one from this and keep it, stick it like this. If you use hot glue, that will be better. So here 2 bases ready. Now we have to make this straps. So for these straps, I'm taking, and how much width you require, accordingly you can cut. Now first I'll just keep here and check for the width. So here I want this much width. What I'm going to do, this much portion I'm going to fold, which will go under the feet, and here I am going to fold some more like this. So now I'm going to cut off the extra. For this part, the same I will cut with this for the other feet. The same way I'm going to fold this one, 2, and here also go like this. Here I'll show you how to make with one strap. So before that, now these are the bases ready. Now we have to make these braids with the plastic cover. So I'll just show you how to do. For that I have taken a plastic cover strip. this white color. Whichever color is available or whichever color combination you like, you can take. This is black. See, one more black I have taken. This one black and white and black. These three together, we'll put a knot here. You can see your knot. Now here you have to make the braids. So like this continues. How much it is required for these 2 feet and for these curves, how many it is required, you have to make like that. Now this one, we'll start from the feet area. Stick like this. Like this to the edge you can stick. Like this you have to bring it and just rotate all and complete like this. Completely rotate and like this you have to make. After that only we'll stick this portion. Once it is completed, then we'll stick this area like this. And after sticking this, you have to put this strands on this also. And then the flowers. So this is the completed one. So first I finish this one, sticking the strands, then here. After that, what will happen, if you turn back, you can see this sticking and attachment. So for a clean and perfect work, what I did, I took a sheet, a rubber sheet, and then I cut that also into this shape and I stuck it, so that these all attachment won't be visible. So it will look like a real sandal. And here I put the flower, that is for her competition what is required. But if you want, you can put anything. You can keep a button or anything like that. So this is the final part, you can see. So like inside the house you can wear it, for daily uses you can use. And as I told you, the best part is it is made up of waste. So please do try this and let me know your comments in the comment box, and like and share as much as possible. Thank you friends for your support and motivation. Thanks. Bye everyone.